You record a bill when you receive an invoice from a supplier. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to correctly record a bill in QuickBooks Online so your accounts payable, expenses, and cash flow stay properly tracked. Let's go to the bill page. For this example, let's say I received an invoice from Lee Advertising. Here is the invoice. Received on February 26th. Advertising at $150. Now to record this bill with the information on this invoice, in the bill page, select the vendor. Let's go back to the invoice to get more information. Okay, so according to the invoice received from the vendor, that is the bill, it says the date of issue is 26th of February. 26th of February, and the invoice number is 100. So let's go to the date, set it as 26th of February. The invoice number is 100. And it says the due date is in 15 days. Make all checks payable to the advertising. Total due in 15 days. So that's the terms. So terms is 15 days. So next is the details, the description, the category, amount. So we're going back to the invoice. It says advertising at $150. Select the category. Select the category, advertising. Then add a description. At $150. So you have the total. So when you're done with that, you have your bill recorded and you save. So you can always go back to check your bill. So let's go to check the bill that was just being created. Go to expenses. We'll go to expenses and bills. And here's the bill we just created for Lee Advertising.